We're a tribe for independent, individual life insurance agents. We run an IMO with all the top carriers, Hancock, Transamerica, Mutual of Omaha. We have insanely high carrier contracts, let you keep your renewals, don't have any fees, have phenomenal training, and no contract. It's a great platform to build a business, have a residual income, and all of that. But it's important to know what we're looking for. We're looking for people who truly want to work. This is not a business opportunity. It's not an opportunity for network marketing or multi-level kind of stuff. It's not one of those. We're a company that's going to do over $1 billion of paid sales in life insurance and annuities just this year. So we're looking for the right people. People who families will like and trust, people that will go out there and make sales, people that truly believe in putting families first. Because as a tribe, we put the agent first, so we need you to put the families first. If you're not looking to work, please don't apply. If you're thinking, I don't know if I want to work with people or help them, don't apply. If you're saying, I was looking for more for an activity and I'm not looking to make any money, don't apply. I'm not interested in making money. Doesn't matter to me. Don't apply, right? It's really important if you're trying to get people to understand what you do, you have to tell them what you're not. And a big part of what it is what it's not. And if you know what we're not, you know what we're not looking for. But if you are a team player, if you do enjoy helping people, if you are looking to work, if you do need to make money, like on a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you need to make money? A 10. Great. You're one of us. What kind of effort are you willing to put in? And if you're open-minded to being taught, we have real salespeople teaching you how to do this. Whether you've had an insurance license for one day, you don't have one, or you've had one for 25 years. We're doing this at a rate that nobody else is doing it, so we know how to do it well. If the things I talked about are what you're looking for and describe you, contact us. If not, either way, I wish you the best of luck. Have a great day. Appreciate your time today.